Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. All right, we're videoing.
Not a good start.
Yeah, you know. You win some, you lose some.
Cut it off?
Yep. This was an excellent idea. Black cherry ice cream and cherry Dr. Pepper. This is good. I haven't had a float in years. Oh yeah. This is good. Here's another video you just might like. And before you leave, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.
Once they're gutted and cut, you'll see they start to resemble
making something
aesthetically pleasing
slices,
and that's
actually
exactly what you want. You want them
improves
to
the
look like
taste
what
of
you're trying to
food.
make, believe it or not. So you want them to look like what you want them to be.